Did you know a tiny parasite can take down the mighty lion? Lions can be killed by parasites like Babesia, spread by ticks. These microscopic invaders destroy red blood cells, causing deadly anemia. Sometimes, tsetse parasites called trypanosomes weaken lions too. And if a lion is already sick or starving, even a swarm of ticks can push it over the edge. In fact, whole prides in the Serengeti once died when disease weakened them, and parasites finished the job. So next time you see a lion, remember, its fiercest enemy might not be another predator, but the tiniest parasite.